Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Melorio. I'm Alex, your host. My dorm room is a mess. It is a mess. I have to clean this place up. It's looking very messy, and I'm the type of person who likes to have a clean room because it helps my brain feel organized, if that makes any sense. I was supposed to upload like a long time ago. I couldn't because I got copyright claimed. So that's fun. It was like me reacting to a TV show that literally everybody's reacting to on YouTube, but I am not allowed to react to it, okay? Because it gets blocked in all countries. So we're not ever going to react to that, but it's fine. We're gonna do some lifestyle content. Hopefully we like lifestyle content. What I don't like is this weird comb over that's happening with my bangs. I don't know. We're cleaning the whole dorm, like bathroom, kitchen, living area. We're cleaning it all. And you're gonna come along with me. And we're gonna clean together. And you're also gonna clean your space so that you feel better. And you know, you don't have to do it today. You don't have to do it tomorrow. But do it eventually. And it'll make you feel good, I promise. We've got a lot to do. I'm feeling overwhelmed, mainly because I don't know how I'm going to get these good camera angles. I feel like I never get very good camera angles, and I feel bad, and I don't have a little cameraman because my cameraman is busy. Alright, we'll figure out where to put the jackets after, whether we hang them up. I just feel like it's a waste of time to hang up jackets like on actual hangers. If you have hooks, it's like way better. So, I mean, we could technically hang them on the back of our bathroom door, because the bathroom door is right by the door to leave. So that could be an idea, but we shall see when we get to that. Do you guys like my Winnie the Pooh pillow? Please say yes. You do like it? Oh, that's so great. Thank you. It's a great addition to this dorm. It's a great addition to a living space with two grown adults. I think it really just complements the space. Also, I've noticed that I've stolen quite a bit of clothes from my mom. I don't know why I get so like klepto when it comes to like my loved one's clothing. But like, I have my mom's sweatpants, which, I mean, fair game, she forgot them here and it's a 20-hour drive, so she's not getting them back. I'm not shipping them. And then I also have a tank top. She gave it to me. But like, I also have some black shorts. They're like spandex shorts, like for like shapewear. And she's like, oh yeah, you can borrow them like to wear underneath the dress. She hasn't seen them since. I'm a monster. I take. I'm like a greedy little hamster. Logan hangs up his shirts and his sweaters, which is totally fine because he has like 5 shirts. I love how simple you can live your life, and like you just, I bet it's like, you know, like in my brain it's like if it was a room, it's on fire and there's like fire. Did you still wear this the other day? The New York shirt?
No.
Okay. It looked like a crop top on you.
It did.
Like, I don't remember, I don't know, like maybe when you were younger it fit. It still fits me, so I'm glad that we brought it, because it's one of my favorite shirts. But I sometimes collect too many shirts, and if there's too many men's shirts, what I do is I give it to Logan, because then if I'm at his house and I need a shirt, I can wear it, and plus if he wears it, then like still gives me some sort of satisfaction, because it's like, hey, my favorite shirt's still being worn by my favorite boy. Also, I love these jeans, but oh my gosh, they are getting absolutely ripped up. Like, I know they're supposed to be distressed, and like, I like a certain bit of like rip to my jeans in some of them. Most of my jeans though, I say most of my jeans, I have like 4 pairs of jeans. So half of my jeans are ripped, half of my jeans are not. But there's only a certain amount of distress that I like in my jeans. And this is too much. Like, it is like ripping open, and it's not even like, ugh. I feel like a monster. And then the bottoms are ripped, which is fine, but like still kind of weird. I don't know. Excuse me. I don't know why it's weird. Anyways, these have been through it, but I like them, and they were only black jeans. And I think that they're pretty cool. I also used to have so many different like clothes that I bought throughout high school, and then like my weight changed a lot. And I also kept ordering the wrong size, so it would be too small for me. And that's really hard about like growing up, is like you won't fit a lot of your favorite clothes, and you know, things change. Some people really stay the same. Like Logan's been like pretty much the same throughout his life. Whereas like I have to change clothes all the time. Like I get hand-me-downs, or I go to the thrift store, or I will shop online or whatever. Because like my weight fluctuates so much, so I donate stuff. But like I had this really cool pair of like pants, and I'm missing them right now because they were so cool. Anyways, it's fine. I'm over it, as you can tell. There's just some of it stuck to the bottom. POV, you just had Taco Bell. Okay. Everything smells clean, which is good. And it's dry. Last time when we did laundry, the dryer did not dry our clothes, so we must have had too many clothes in there or something. I don't know why you wanna treat me this way. I don't know if you can really tell, but our pillowcases are pink. Some of our white some of our white stuff is pink. So that's cool. It's gonna get worse before it gets better. I swear. We have this situation here. This is the TV. Logan uses it as a second monitor. But I just kind of keep putting things behind here because I know that nobody's gonna be able to see them. But you know, enough is enough. Okay, I'm done with that part of my life. I have my little ramblings in here. Just kidding. It's just props that I have to make for school. 3D props. I'm in game art. I bet you thought I was in film. Just kidding. No, I don't have that confidence. More ramblings for school. Like it, Picasso. I messed that up. I like it, Picasso. There we go. These notebooks are kind of ugly, TBH, but Logan brought them. So I don't want to be rude, but you know, they're not aesthetically pleasing. I have 2 mouse pads, and I love this mouse pad, but sometimes the fabric gives me the chills. Again, I don't know what's wrong with me, but sometimes the fabric gives me the chills, so I can't use it currently. And I don't really know where I want to put it. I'm thinking, I don't know, there's like no storage in here, and I don't want to just throw it anywhere. Anyways, we'll find a special spot for this. I'll put it on my chair for now. This is my coffee from this morning. Don't need it anymore. I'm gonna go dump it in the sink. Also got these mango slices the other day. I love mango slices, dried mango slices. I'll have one. The window isn't open because we can't open our windows, but the curtain is. People can probably see me every day doing something weird. I love that for me. This is a nightmare to eat. Because I love chocolate oranges, but there's popping candy in it, which makes it less enjoyable. 10 out of 10, do not recommend Terry's orange. I feel like this isn't a flattering outfit, so I'm like kind of insecure. But you know what? We all have little paunches. Little bellas. I was playing this game. It's absolute fire. Bratz Rock Angels on the PS2. Chef's kiss. I believe that this is my charging cord. I don't want to steal. I'm kind of a thief. This is just a light. Oh my. Imagine this is my lighting. No, it looks like I'm like telling you a scary story. I'm gonna blind myself, so I'm gonna stop doing that because my mom paid a lot of money for my glasses. Look at that. Are you proud of me? I'm proud of me. How bright is this? Also bright. We got a lot of bright. I looked right at it. We have a lot of bright lights. And then my actual desk, not to brag, is like pretty neat and organized. I mean, the cords aren't the best. My USB hub is no longer sticky, so it can't actually stand up nicely. But that's fine. Do what you gotta do. I like doing this type of lifestyle content, but I don't know if people actually enjoy it. But I did a video where I cleaned out my closet and people really liked that. Well, at least I think they did because they got quite a few views. Or maybe just the YouTube algorithm liked it. So I'm gonna try and do more lifestyle content and then, but I also like doing gaming videos, so there's gonna be gaming videos too. So nothing's really changing. The lighting's pretty harsh around here, but now it is time for this situation. Are you okay?
Yes.
I think what I'm gonna do, because I don't think it's a huge deal, I'm just gonna put the donut, this last donut in here. I'm gonna put it with the 2x20s. What are you eating? Oh, he's taking his probiotic. What are you eating? Get that out of your mouth. Like a dog. I literally just asked him like a dog, what are you eating? What are you eating? Get that out of your mouth. Oh, beautiful, and it didn't like tear completely open and go everywhere. Happens to me all the time. Get out of there. Ramen noodles on here. Whoops. Oopsie daisies. I'm gonna vacuum. I have a vacuum. And it is one of the best purchases I've ever made in my life. I've been feeling pretty inspired lately because I've been watching lifestyle content, you know, where they do things like clean their rooms and stuff and do like productive things. So I've been feeling pretty inspired. Sometimes lifestyle content is good because it inspires you, but then sometimes it almost makes you feel like your life. What was that sound? Oh, okay. It was just somebody outside, but it's my heart. It leapt through my skin. Anyways, I feel like lifestyle content is good because it can inspire you, but sometimes it's not that great because it makes you feel like you are useless. Why did you look at me like that?
I thought you were talking to me.
Oh my god, no! You thought that I just said you are useless?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, is he brought us in? I don't know. We don't have a paper towel holder. Again, I should just get microfiber cloths. It is what it is.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder what's
Look at me, a hard-working lady. Just sweating away. If only I could clean faster.
If only.
I'm Southern now. You're not even out there. Do you hear this guy? Do you hear this guy? You know I'm feeling it when I'm dancing around, doing my little dance.
anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say,
these plates from Amazon just yesterday. Aren't they stunning? Just saying, they were nice and cheap, and they're unbreakable, and they're microwave safe. Also, sometimes I hear people yelling in the hallways, or I hear them yelling from the murder room. I mean, that's fine, but like, there's straight up other people super loud in hallways the other night, and it was like almost like 2 a.m. I think. I can't remember. We're getting somewhere. We're making progress, and I'm really happy that we're making progress because it's very much needed. So yeah, I just gotta pick some things off the floor, and then it'll be time to vacuum, and I'm excited to vacuum because vacuuming makes me feel so much better. And I'll Swiffer the floors and organize some things, and then the garbage and the recycling has to go out. I'll have to wait for Logan because I can't take that all out myself. I mean, I could, but I'd have to keep coming back, and that's annoying. Because the vacuum refused to like suck it up, and I was wondering why.
What?
I found my earring. I've been looking for this wishbone earring.
Nice.
I've been looking for this earring for so long, and I found it.
All in a day's work.
All in a day's work. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that inspired you to do a little bit of cleaning in your room. If you need a little extra push or extra little motivation. My heart's going really fast and I'm really warm because I've been cleaning all day. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. I hope that you consider subscribing, liking the video, comment down below. I love reading comments and responding to comments. I'm a very small YouTuber, so when you comment down below, I more than likely will respond to you. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!